Continuing on with our lesson 1.2 notes, now we're going to look at what does it look like to add a negative number on the number line. So filling in the blank with me, when adding a negative number, and I'm going to abbreviate, when adding a negative number, the value is decreasing. So on a number line, we are going to move to the left. And this is the same as subtracting a positive. So let's model that with a couple examples. Here we have 8 plus negative 6. So I'm going to start at 8, put my dot at 8, and I'm going to move to the left 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there I have taken 8 plus negative 6 for a sum of 2. And now our second example, negative 8 plus negative 6. So I'm going to start at negative 8, and I'm moving to the left 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here, my sum is negative 14.